have taken out everything from my wardrobe and put it on the bed, and now it's so easy for me to see what I actually have. And now I'm going to filter which clothes I'm going to wear for this season, and which clothes I'm going to keep until winter. So guys, this dress fits me so well, and I absolutely love the details on it, especially the sequins and the pattern and design, the cut. But at this stage, I'm in this moment, I feel it's too flashy on me. I'm not sure if I feel confident at the moment to wear this dress. So I think I'm gonna keep it for maybe basket, Alvin of course. And so this is very close to my heart because my brother bought it from Dubai. So my brother, he travel a lot for work, and he gets sometimes things for me like this. And I'll show you guys. Oh my god, the leather is so luxurious. I mean, I can feel the leather, and this is such a masterpiece in my wardrobe. Like, I have noticed, people notice in London whenever I wear it. So I got this last winter, and of course I can't wear it in this summer, but I'll keep it until winter. I really like this piece. Like, this definitely complement my skin tone, but I just need to figure it out. How should I style it? This is a very lightweight jacket. It's this color. It's something has a lot of potential, and it suits me so well. But I don't think so it's going to fit for me on this summer. Maybe I'll keep it for next summer. So maybe lace dress, I think it definitely fit my body shape and my skin tone, and yeah, it's perfect for summer. I'm going to wear for, I don't know, brunch or maybe some elegant dinner. I know how to style it, so I'm definitely going to keep this. From my brother, and it's surprisingly very warm, but it's very lightweight, and the length is like perfect for any kind of dress or with the jeans. So I think I'll definitely keep this in my wardrobe since the weather keeps changing in London. So I think I need the chance to wear it all the time because it's very close to my heart and also my favorite.